How to make a seamless circle using double crochet. So to start out, I'm going to make an adjustable loop. An adjustable loop is a ring that you can crochet into, and then you just pull the short end and the center disappears. So once I have my adjustable loop, I'm going to chain 1 and then put 8 single crochet directly into the ring. The reason I'm using single crochet for the first round is because the height of a single crochet is a lot smaller than the height of a double crochet. And in order to have a seamless circle, I need to be able to work into the first stitch for row 2 without making a slip stitch first. If I had started with double crochet and then worked the first stitch of round 2 directly into the first stitch of row 1, then there would be an awkward gap. But this way, the single crochets are going to be so hidden, it's going to be almost impossible to tell that they're there. Now the remaining rows are going to be worked exactly like any row when you're working in the round. So for row 2, I'm going to have an increase stitch into each stitch across. Increase stitch meaning I'm going to put 2 double crochet into each stitch. For the third row, I'm going to have repetitions of an increase stitch and a regular stitch. For the fourth row, I'm going to have an increase stitch and 2 regular stitches. And I'm going to repeat the pattern of an increase stitch and an additional regular stitch until my circle reaches the size that I want. Now when you're using the adjustable loop, it is important to weave in the end or to work it directly into your stitches, because if you cut it off, the whole thing can come unraveled and completely undo your hard work. And since you're working in the spiral, you are going to create a wrong side, right side, and it's going to be slightly noticeable. Now I've used this method to create pillows, a round bag, or even an applique. Last year I put a bunny on my daughter's Easter sweater, and it was adorable. But if you have any questions or if there's any kind of stitches or tips that you're looking for, let me know.